Learn what's inside the best prostate health supplement.
The saw palmetto extract has been used for centuries to promote prostate health by balancing hormone levels and reducing inflammation. It works to alleviate urinary discomfort and supports better overall prostate function in men. Saw palmetto has long been used to support prostate health by promoting better urinary function. This powerful natural ingredient helps reduce inflammation and balance hormone levels, contributing to an improved quality of life for men.
Nettle root extract is packed with natural compounds that aid in balancing hormone levels, which is key for prostate health. It reduces urinary difficulties and discomfort associated with an enlarged prostate, promoting better overall wellness.
Shiitake mushrooms offer immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory benefits that support prostate health. Their antioxidant properties help protect the prostate from cellular damage, promoting long-term wellness and improved urinary function.
The polysaccharides in Maytake mushrooms play a key role in enhancing prostate health by boosting immune system function. By supporting hormonal balance and reducing inflammation, Maytake contributes to improved urinary flow and comfort.
Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping protect the prostate from cellular damage. By promoting overall prostate wellness, this vitamin contributes to long-term prostate health and reduces the risk of age-related issues. We leave you the link in the description for more information. Subscribe to see the best-selling products in the world. Give it a like.